Pretty little black skin girl. Pretty little diamond ring. Oh, Caribbean beauty.
Welcome back to another YouTube video with a girl dipped in chocolate. So I'll be going all over the place for this weekend, and I want you guys to just watch, like, comment and share, because it's about to be like it's gonna be such a fun weekend that you guys are going to be so in tuned. I don't know how am I going to live off of 5 hours sleep. My weekend is about to be so lit, so come with me. This is Saturday morning. I went to breakfast at Sonia's home kitchen stop. I don't even remember the name, but it was so nice. Presentation, customer service, the food. This is what I ate for breakfast, and then after that we went to Starbucks. I ordered my fave, which is the mocha frap, and yeah, we're going with the stuff. Then later on in the evening, guys, we went to Portmore. I ended up at Elsha to go get some fish to eat, and it was so nice. Like, my evening was so nice and so peaceful. So continue watching. I'm on the beach. Where are you? Maris? To Bali. But them girl we do, sorry. Yeah, cool. Friend, come in the vlog. Are you watching the sun, liquid? You're going to try jet, Danik? Yeah. First time trying oyster. Don't chew, swallow. Oh, it is. Did you put the sauce on it?
It tastes good.
Okay.
You like it?
Rate it out of 10. 9? Okay.
We are chewing back.
Yeah, try it now. Wait,
It tastes good. That one. That boy.
Oh, alright.
For the natural ear. I mean, put this in the ear. I tell you, God, clean. I swear. Can I put anklets down there? Don't be surprised. I got everything right here.
We're back from all of that. I'm going to get my hair combed, and we're going to go on the road, right? So let's go. We're going to do promotions tonight with Soca Mocha. I think we're going to 2 events, Los and Bahalda or Valdaha. I don't remember the party name, but let's go, guys.
So everything we hear, what the shot we do? First of all, 1, 2. Hands up, down, up, and down. Up. Let's go.
Everybody started jumping.
Take on to the
rubber, started
whip it.
Bounce it up and take it to the limit. 'Cause we deserve to have it up.
I'm mash it up for you right now. Right up the chorus, of course. interest. They will qualify themselves for church. Hey, right now.
Jamaica, watch over us. As I smoke up at the top. We going to party tonight, yeah. We going to party. Ladies, if you love excitement, come let me rub you the right way. We going to party tonight, yeah. We going to party tonight, yeah. Watch them girls, they're so goddamn perfect. Big bumper, but they don't look like mermaid. I love champagne like them, and love for real is party. Lovers don't bring your heart.
Shout out to all the crew that was just a check in. Make sure to keep the bar busy, keep the bar ladies busy. Let's go.
Put you load from in another land. With the rubbers sting like alligator pan. The skin hot today, we are the weatherman. A boy should have dropped, but the better jam.
I saw them in state.
Limits and the little man.
If you're there with a real friend right now, want your real friend on that shit. I'm still like, should not live good. Should not drink and a party.
Some boy out of you. Some girl out of you. Some boy out of you.
What about the people that rub out freshen up on the hall now?
In a white t-shirt, we did it. We love them chicks to the limit. Uptown, same song, we did it up on the wall. Living up a monster, yes, support the parties like a sponsor. Can you see the car?
We up on a call.
Four rifles in a banner wall. And my car. Drive up, put up by the footpath. We don't like saying that, yeah, then I roll like that. Yeah, we are go hard, we are go hard. This is for better, you must have mad. That I put down to my mad.
What comes from a real friend? Such a real friend, it's right now.
Because I know that I tell I am to you for your family, just remember me. When I said, oh, when I said, oh, I was waiting for your police.
What are they everything?
Watch your step, when you step on the top with the test.
Man, we gon' decide the mind. Love the pussy, but me never mind. We no sell out, got the papers of the rights and the yes, but we not give no content, no light, no.
Like your clothes, your breast and it's stiff in your blouse. You know what me love the most. Me love to be big, got to put in your throat. Cause I come in your throat, your throat. Nothing nice, let me come in your throat. And be walking, come in your throat.
Chance roll out pitch black. Don't see spot be my image. Get the girl them while I stand spit. That's what separate you have to pull up on your leg. Got me, they do drop, push it out, drop. 360 on the dash, I just stop. Most gun man, I sing a song for my listeners. Every fucking pretty girl, my response. Haters on kicks back. Stretch rich, goes up on every back.
Phenomenal. Them boy don't got no body. Me no start, girl, me I'm vasty. I was being dumb, girl, love call me. I'm a big woman, girl, I do her body. So you take girl so balls. I'm a young girl, love so cocky. And you know me now, left out my fatty. Me girl in the bank, the throat slappy. Me a fuck shit, she a fuck shit. Freaky girl, text I'm fucking in your mind, yeah. Text I'm fucking in your mind, yeah. You know I say you gotta fuck with the one, yeah. You're so tight, girl, then clean the fuck. Can't sit you down, I'm scared of you.
Alright, you host the place. Ladies, hold the time. Ladies, now I turn the girl to you, I don't want it down for you now. Pick up the girl and make them present. But the present you get is a man that cheap on you. Love you, yeah? I'll scratch this. Ladies, it's the boy for you. I don't like it. No, me not laughing with him enough. Chrissy, me not laughing with him.
When the money she does, she a ball out. I'm giving me a ball out.
But ladies, man, compliment them to them nice things like.
Give me a nice thing.
And when you get them to your skin clean, man, compliment you.
You girl, make money every day. But if you do, money is nice.
But Dave now go call him name. Clip style link up. Listen to me now, man. But he's not gonna call him there. Why you just be wearing him? I'm gonna party to the work. What me on top, man?
We are the representing. Come on, love it, come on, love it, come on, love it, come on, love it, you're full of niceness. Every time you take it on watch it. Come on, love it when you try it. When you bring it with your you're full of niceness. Every time you take it on watch it. Come on, love it when you take it on tap it on. Then you got to be something like a record. What? If you're running up the right out, wanna see you dying, walking on the time. Then find out, boy, girl. All of you weak girls, them a woman way for you. Boy, because I'm a little bit when you're thinking on a heavy time, you're tripping on them. Love it when you're raining. When you're creeping with your friends, people that's going to one time, please. Pause for some. So, before we start. I'm gonna say a chick them scream for me, please. Rascal, no. All of the wife them scream for me, please. One time. Alright, okay. So, before we even start the song, I'm going to introduce my general young gun. So, you're the right thing, man. We don't know what I'm singing. Yeah! Right, so, you don't have to sing a part, you have to sing a part of me. Alright, let's go.
I'm cool and dark. Me no care if it doesn't feel like that. I'm cool and dark. Me no care if it doesn't chicken and lard.
Dog like me a dinner, syndicate singer. They are for the girl them, now pinna. One for the killer, she a winner. Balenciaga me inna, me clean like river, she the clean. Me is grabber chest. As fun in touch with light. More smoke than 10 crisp pipe. Split light higher than the pitch pipe. Me nah left parade, me rather drift right. It's like cocaine me despise.
Can I sing to my people?
I'm in the genetics of something you're ready for. When I can come up on a different to the original. I want to tell you someone love my original. Look at baby, you can tell us you are my friends. I'm going to believe you. I have to give you things that you say you from seeds. But after the widows, I can't begin to imagine. I live in a village, I understand we have to love the same way. Let's get married up with a play date. Next 10 years, doing the same thing.
Got, set,
This is Dipped in Chocolate signing out.